Want some pets? Have some pets. You want some pets? Have some pets. Hello, Lucky. Have some pets. Have some pets. Have some pets. You want all the pets? You can have all the pets. You like to jump on people's back, don't you? Good morning, y'all. I'm a little burnt out. Actually, really burnt out. I burnt myself out doing all that work. I am at the Sloss and Swap Meet where ReGROWLA gives away food every Friday. And I'm gonna see if I can get some compost. I go to food distributions. I've been doing it for like the last 4 years now, and I collect their rotten produce because sometimes produce gets shipped rotten. And I make compost out of it. See? Compost. No. I talk about this. Let me get my car. Hi. Oh, excuse me. Yes. Hi. Yes, sir. Rotten jackfruit. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Jackpot, baby. Jackfruit from a Thai farmer, I believe. I gotta look up the farming company. Jackfruit. This stuff is soft as hell. Now, did you know that I think 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 3 people that eat raw jackfruit, it gives them a laxative effect? You know how I found that out? I'm one of those people. I had raw jackfruit at Whole Foods. It's delicious, by the way. It tastes like a combination of coconut and pineapple. And I almost messed myself at the front end. I was a floater, and then I became a cashier. Worst decision, but also the best decision because it got me to quit. But I love this stuff, but I have to cook it. My favorite way to have it is as a pulled pork sandwich. But I cannot have raw jackfruit. I cannot have raw jackfruit. If you need a natural laxative, mess around and find out. FAFO on the jackfruit. Thank you, ReGROWLA. I'm so excited for this. And this is a combination of all the days, darling. Let me just tell you. I'll tell you in a second, but this is a combination of the last 5 days. I think we're on day 17. Oh. I was like, where are my glasses? On my face. I got bigger glasses to remember that they're on my face. Didn't work this time. But guess what time it is? It's time for plant mail. Plant mail. Okay, now, I do want to let y'all know, as you heard in the beginning of the video, I burned out. I worked hard. I worked really hard as heck because I don't want to lose my monetization. I worked hard as heck and I burned out. And I didn't do the daily. I just need not to do that. Okay? I'm human. I'm not an automaton. I need to be very respectful to my energy levels as well as how and if I exert myself. And also, I'm going to count all of these packs. I feel like it's like Pokemon cards, like 3 to the back, 2 to the front, and then the reveal. Like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Do we get a shiny? Anyways, did you know that Pokemon, a lot of their name, especially the first 5150, are species names? And they cover a lot of botany and the animal kingdom in combination with that. Is it a Vileplume? It's actually a pitcher plant. So I think a Vileplume, a Bellsprout, and a Vileplume evolve into not a Voldemort, a Vilemort or something like that, I think. Or is Vileplume and Gloom the same? But then I get Gloom and Oddish mixed up. Okay, but one of the Pokemon is a pitcher plant. Anyways, so I'm going to count these, but let me open this plant mail really quick. And then we're going to count all the seeds. So this is from Baker Creek Farms. And I'm really appreciative. I do have an update. I did talk to, I'm going to make this so short. I did talk to, I talked to somebody from the Altadena Seed Library. They're not in place. They are not in the position to steward or host or stage live plants right now. So that's my job. Ooh, and they sent a receipt. So thank you, Baker Creek Seeds. I'm just going to flash y'all real quick and show you what they sent. And I'm going to count these out. I really, really, really appreciate it. I'm going to get a lot of these started now because it turned... Wow, these are all in season. These are almost all in season. Wow. I appreciate y'all. I'm really going to do these colors. Happy Black History Month, y'all. We're supposed to do those during New Year's, though. They're a New Year's tradition because they were cooked on the eve. Not collards. Sorry, they're supposed to bring in good luck. I'm thinking of black eyed peas, y'all. See? See? Burnt out. Burnt out. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Okay, thank you, Baker Creek. So I was just gonna mail a packet of seeds to the Altadena Seed Library, and also because I'm mailing out a packet of seeds to the Altadena Seed Library, I'm gonna keep all the mediums and start the plants. Thank you. Another pack of poppies, and also I have a ton of workshops coming up, and the volunteer list is live, and the free school sign up is live. Keep on going for Melissa DeCaro. Thank you, Melissa. I love these notes because you know on TikTok I'm getting hate already. Check out my TikTok. I have 2, by the way. I have Tay Dog 2022, which is my more like messy. It's not even messy. It's just more opinion pieces. And then I have Plant Plug. So you can go see how they feel about me on TikTok, which is weird. Somebody bought me an almanac. Somebody bought me an almanac. Who did it? I was just going to buy myself one. Is there a note? I really live for these notes. Give me the note. Give me the note. Enjoy your gift. I'm from OC, so LA is like a home to me. I'd love to help you see it grow green again. From Jennifer. Jennifer, this book is wild, okay? Y'all, this book is absolutely wild. Okay, I got 1 minute to finish this video. So, thank you. I love the seed mail. What is this? Last packet. Yay! Okay, we got the herbs and the rice in this. Okay, so let's do this quickly. Quickly. Y'all. Can you see this? This is 108 seed packets. I don't even want to let this, I can't. But also, I can't hear you guys over all this money. All of this is going to the Altadena Seed Library. I'm mailing it out this week. Like I said, I was supposed to go up there. A lot happens. So I'm going to mail this up there. And I didn't want to give them more than their capacity, okay? A lot of donation centers and other initiatives are saying, hey, check in with us first. So 1, if we can receive it. 2, if we're accepting it. Of course, per our capacity, our time frame, can we stage it, can we host it, and also do we actually need it? So consistently check up. 108 packets of seeds because of you guys. Survival seeds, Baker Creek seeds, So Right seeds. I want to thank you all for your help, your contributions, and this is because the people. This is for the people, by the people. When I say that, oh man. I gotta clean that up. You ever play 82 card pickup? 108 seed pickup? I appreciate y'all so much. And also, not only that, but we have, where is it? 6 of these big bombastic seed packets going out too. So 6 of these big mama jammas, okay? Now, I have to crunch more numbers. But if I do my math right, 108 went to them, 30% stayed with me, and I'm going to grow all these plants and stage them, and look out for distribution. Is happening now. I have it listed, okay? So that's what's going on. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. A lot is happening in February. Happy Black History Month, y'all. Don't mess it up. As well as we're regrowing LA. Literally. It's happening in real time. Ready? Yes. Okay, thank you. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. I'm so excited. Oh wow. Okay, where's the affirmation? Oh, my light is on. Where's the affirmation? Collect the seeds, companion planting. Seeds. More seeds. And then envelope. And then we send it to the Altadena Seed Library. and we send it to ReGROWLA. Let's do it.
I can tell you're so passionate about it. No, I love it. I love that. No, I was so excited to meet the seed ladies.
I'm so excited. This is beautiful. Yes, thank you. Yeah, sure. Seed lady, plant lady, it all works. It all works.
Plug, everything is stock, it's organic. I don't take much to put a seed inside the planet. It's way more about what you do after you plant it. It's all a cycle, go and cook a plate and smash it, yeah.